Let me show you how to fix the missing LDAC option on POCO C85. So if you go to your Bluetooth device settings and apparently there is no LDAC anymore, then the reason why is that is probably because of the app that you may have installed for your headphones, for your earbuds, or anything that is, of course, Bluetooth that uses the audio. In my case, I have earbuds, and I have this app for my earbuds. And over here, we can find earbud settings, or essentially you are looking for either earbud settings or the sound quality settings. And you want to make sure that the sound quality is the priority. And also in some cases, you need to also enable the Bluetooth audio codec in the app. And if not, then just change to the sound quality and then go back to the settings of your Bluetooth device, re-enter Bluetooth settings. Over here, you should be able to then find LDAC again. Subscribe to my channel.